নমস্কার, শর্মিলা ভট্টাচার্য, শর্মিলা টেক্স আর্টের পক্ষ থেকে আমাদের 37th এপিসোড নিয়ে আজকে এসেছি। আর আপনারা যেভাবে রেসপন্ড করছেন তাতে আমি অনেক উৎসাহ পাই। আর আপনারা যেভাবে স্ক্রিনশট নিয়ে অর্ডার করছেন অমনি করে করতেই থাকতে পারেন। আর আপনাদের যদি আমাদের এই ভিডিওস ভালো লাগে প্লিজ শেষ অবধি আপনারা আমাদের সঙ্গে থাকুন। আর যেমন করে আপনারা এটাকে শেয়ার করছেন, সাবস্ক্রাইব করছেন, অমনি করতে থাকুন, তাহলে আমরা আরও অনেকের কাছে পৌঁছতে পারি। এবং আজকের আমি কিছু আমার ওয়ার্কশপেরই জিনিস নিয়ে এসেছি। আমি সিল্ক এপিসোড এটা আমার। আমি শুধু কিছু চেক সিল্ক আর মুর্শিদাবাদ সিল্ক 3 প্লাই দেখাবো, যেগুলো আমরা আমাদের কারখানায় কাজ করেছি। হ্যান্ড পেইন্টিং এবং ব্লক প্রিন্টিং আমার এখানে হয় আমার ওয়ার্কশপে, আপনারা এখন সকলেই জানেন। সো দিস ইজ শর্মিলা from Sharmila Tex Art, and today I am going to display some silk sarees on which we have hand block printed and we have done some hand painting, and these are done in our own workshop, so you won't be finding any duplicate of them anywhere else. That is the thing. So my numbers are going on screen. You can order these things by taking screenshot and sending the sarees to my WhatsApp number. So I go to my first saree today. First saree is a check silk. This is a check silk and it has been dyed like this in panels, very colorful because it has royal blue, neon green and firoza, and hand block printed by this black. This is the palla of the saree. This is how the palla goes. Very good quality check silk, let me tell you. The price is also not very high, 3450 only. So this is the plate portion of the saree, where you won't get the panel. This is the plate portion. Plate portion of the saree goes like this, and this is how you would look when you drape it. Very bright and vibrant colors are used here. So this is the number 1 saree, 3450. Again, if you forget, you will be getting the prices on the screen. So this is the first saree. Now I am showing you another check silk. These are very good quality. Those of you have taken my sarees, you know, you have told me especially about the quality that I do maintain. So this is a check silk, very thick quality, and see how designer it is. It's a designer piece, you can call. Shaded dyed, and the hand block is used in this way, geometric pattern. This is a round one that is breaking the panels. So this is a design, multicolored, very bright for winter season. Now in winter we always like to dress ourselves up with beautiful, very fabulous colors that will enhance our mood. And this is the plate portion. See, this is the plate portion, and that is coffee color. Plate is coffee, and this is the 2.5 meter saree has been decorated like this. So I go to number 3. Number 3 saree is a masterpiece of our artist. This saree would seem to you to be a katan, as good as katan the silk is. This is 4 ply Murshidabad silk, and this is the mountain with the pebbles, the coniferous trees. This is called wash painting, you know. Very difficult this painting is, time consuming. জল মিশিয়ে এই কালারগুলো বানাতে হয় এবং এটা পেইন্টিং করতে অনেক সময় লাগে। একটা শাড়ি 4 to 5 days it takes. 2.5 meter is gorgeous like this, and to highlight this portion we have purposely kept the plate portion of the saree navy blue dyed, which will highlight this 2.5 meter painting of the saree. So this is the plate portion, and this is how the saree goes. Very bright colors, purely hand painted, single piece in India. This is the one, because this is the depiction of the imagination of my artist. So and this is another hand painted one. At the base we have go dyed with red and black, geometric border, The golden color highlights, the body color, red and black. This is the sari. This is the palla of the sari. Time consuming. This is wax work, these triangles. Effect is there at the base. And again the plate portion is like this, and it has got a broad border, as Rakhi Gulzar used to use this kind of borders in the 70s. So this is how the sari goes. These two saris are highly priced. This is 4400 and the previous one, the mountain scenario, that is mountain scene, has been made the price 4600. This is a discharge printed pure silk 3-ply. Weight of the sarees are more than 320 grams. Very nice cherry red color. Geometric discharge print has been done in my workshop. See how clear the saree's discharge is. Very much corporate the saree. You can wear them throughout the day and attend your office party like that. And this is the plate portion of the saree. Beautiful saree. This is the plate portion of the saree. This is how the saree goes. And each saree is having blouse pieces, as you know. These are all 6 point. This is the blouse piece, 6.5 meter length saree. We have COD within Kolkata, but not outside Kolkata. Please don't request us. In that case, you will have to trust me. You can deposit the amount at our Google Pay, Phone Pay numbers 98308 56724, or you can NEFT or whatever to my own account number, and we will send the saree by courier. This is the next saree. See the block, how unique it is. See the finishing, see the quality and the gloss of the colors. First thing, the quality of color should be very good, which I carry myself to my factory. And next thing is the quality of silk has to be very good. This is a bright saree that will make your complexion also bright. Very comfortable silk. See the quality of the silk. There won't be any crease even though we keep it like this. So this is the quality. This is a saree 3750. I love this block. Black and white with Rama and royal blue border. It has got its blouse piece in Rama. This is the blouse piece and sleeve portion of your blouse. I go to a kalamkari. No, not kalamkari. Kalamkari is the next one. This is crow and peacher block. See the uniqueness of the block first. Red bordered. This is mehendi green color body. This is the border of the saree. Very good quality silk. I am telling you again. You trust me, have the saree. Those of you who have already received, you have personally told me this is the palla. Palla portion. This is mehendi green, and the saree, whole saree goes like this. And this is the peacher and crow block. Crow is throwing pebbles to the peacher to make the water level higher. That is the concept. So it has got a story behind it. This is how the saree looks. This is 3750. But let me tell you, the saree's price will go little higher from next episode, because silks and tussars, all the weavers know, everybody knows, has gone up. তবুও শাড়ি তো আমরা কিনেই যাব। সোনার দোকানে প্রচুর ভিড়, সোনার দাম কিন্তু সবসময়ই বাড়ছে। তসরের সিল্কের স্থান কিন্তু সোনার পরেই। This is kalamkari, beautiful. Small birds are also there, see, in the block. Color is rust, mustard. This is the very slick border, artistic saree, corporate at the same time. যে কোনো বয়সের লোকেরা এই শাড়িটা পরতে পারবেন। আমার বাঙালি বন্ধুদের কোনো অসুবিধা হয় না আমার এপিসোড বুঝতে। শুধু আমার কিছু বন্ধু যারা বাংলা বোঝেন না তাদের জন্য আমরা ইংলিশে বলে থাকি। এই হচ্ছে শাড়িটা, ভীষণ ব্রাইট শাড়ি। So this is the saree. The next silk is painted. It is painted So this silk hand painting is there. This is 4600 the price. This is, you know, Indian art, and this is the block used. See the body color, very unique. 4600. These are all time consuming ones. The last few sarees are priced little higher. These are 4100 because the work is very heavy, it's time consuming. A single saree is sometimes printed in a day or two maximum. It is ikat block. This is ikat, and this is how the saree goes. This is how the saree goes. Broad border, half and half the saree has been made. Half and half in the sense the whole saree has been, you know, breadth-wise separated into two halves. $4200 is the price. This is another one with ikat. Quality of silk is 4-ply. These are as good as Katan silk. This is the saree. See the gloss on the saree and how beautifully they are printed. অনেক সময় নিয়ে এই শাড়িগুলো প্রিন্ট করা হয়, কোনো হুড়োহুড়ি আমার এখানে শাড়ি নিয়ে করা হয় না। Grey color and the orange highlights the grey and black. This is how the saree goes. Very corporate look. It will go with any complexion. And the last silk of today is again 4200. See how much work has been done on the saree. All these circles are made with wax. There is chichira print also at the border. Very designer silk. These are all designer silks that I am showing you, the last 4-5 ones specially. See, this is the saree. Beautiful. All the colors are there, orange, red, black. That has made the saree very bright, gorgeous. And this is the plate portion. See the plate portion of the saree. This is the plate portion. Beautifully done. So here it comes to an end, our silk episode. Thank you very much for watching us, for loving all these sarees, and we love our sarees. Whatever we do for the sarees. So thank you very much for watching us and be with us.